Welcome to Service Finding Operator Weekly Call. Today is August 4th, 2022. If you have any agenda items, please add here. There is one announcement. That is not really specifically about SBO, something that we are going to benefit in future. So there is a reference implementation 0.1.0 release came out, and currently the way to install it is just applying this YAML. Probably in future there's going to be mchart and operators hub and all those kind of way to install. But for now, yeah, just applying this huge bundle YAML, you will get this operator installed locally. Yeah, so mostly Scott has implemented this implementation. I will help in the initial bootstrapping the project and all, and Andy also contributed. Yeah, so good. At least we have one. This is third implementation. Yeah, from VMware, apart from VMware and Red Hat implementation for the spec. Anything else? Okay, I'll go to the issue triaging part. Let me open the GitHub. Service binding operator issues. So there is no very recent issue in the last week. From last week, only 13 days ago there was some issue, and the rebinding. I think we had a good discussion about this topic, and already responded to him saying that as part of our optimization, we decided to keep this issue open to work on documentation, but that didn't happen, right? Yeah, okay, we decided to keep this issue open, so that means we need to add this documentation label here, kind documentation, and I think I can remove this. It's not a bug from our classification, so let me put a comment.
You can make it, feature requests or something like that.
Yeah, okay. It's a kind doc. It's a documentation, right? Yeah, documentation. So I'll mention what to document here. I mean, we have this here to document this behavior and session. So keeping this issue open. Anyone want to take up this issue to write a documentation? Basically, we need to say what is the behavior, why, I mean, where this should fit also we need to check. Let me see. In our documentation, probably we can add a section in the projection side, right? The projecting the binding data in this document. We can add a new section about the behavior, why the rebinding is not going to happen. So maybe this is a good place, I guess. That also here, so that way.
Okay. So this is kind documentation and bug. Okay.
No, remove the bug.
Oh, remove the bug. So it's not a bug. Oh, it's just a.
No.
It's a clarification. Okay. So this
Yeah,
is
we
documentation.
already responded, and he's okay and great. Thanks for that and future plans. Okay, we have decided to document this behavior optimization. We could add the page. yeah, we can pick it up in this. We can create a story also so that we not forget internally. Yeah. Okay. The other issues, everything was very old ones. For this issue, we decided to go for documentation again because we cannot support the permission because of the bug in that Kubernetes. Because we cannot. So basically, what he is looking for is we need a special permission. We attempted that and we realized that it's not going to work because of that bug in that Kubernetes. So we decided to document this. Okay, I mentioned that we are working on this fix and scheduled for 1.2 release. So that's going to be disappointing. I think I can say we dropped it. Okay, that PR is still open. Let me see. No, I closed that PR. Okay, I can mention the new PR. There is a new PR that I'm working on. So, what is that PR? Yeah, this PR. Due to the Kubernetes bug. What is the bug? I think that bug is mentioned somewhere. Yeah, here it is. Due to a Kubernetes bug. I'll implement this set permission. So we decided to document a workaround. Another PR. Okay. So that means due to the one is why we cannot set permission from the controller. We decided to document the workaround in another PR. Okay, and I'm going to change the label also to make this. Okay, should I keep this as a bug or I can add a label called documentation?
Well, it would be both, right? If it's a bug,
Yeah.
then it's a
yeah.
documentation defect.
Right. Yeah. So actually he got similar response for the original reporter from the other issue. That's where I also got to know that this is how it's going to be. So this issue that he opened in the Crunchy Postgres operator,
Yeah.
he got the same response. So he's aware of the fact because they also closed the same issue. Okay. So I think that's just two issues. Remaining everything, all other issues are very old or local. I would like to stop here.
We can. Or is there an opportunity to, I guess, to take a look and see if any of these can be closed, or do we still need to make decisions on these?
Some of them are like, okay, for this next one, okay, let me pick up the SSO. There was a PR and that person is not responding.
Mm-hmm. So if it hasn't been touched since March, I wonder if it makes sense to just close it, depending on, I don't know what, if we're expecting anything else for this.
Yeah, 17 days ago, I have commented here asking that please create a separate assembly work without modifying the existing pet clinic application. You can create a new directory. I mentioned about to do and all. So he didn't respond afterwards. So I'll keep it. I can close it.
You can ask them, see if there's any updates. If not, you can close it, and then just, if it needs to be reopened.
I think I can, I can close this issue and say
Yeah.
that, I'm closing this for now. If you are working on, please feel to reopen. Okay.
Yeah, that's fair.
I'll just code this for now. And it's already started conflicting, so it will be hard to. What's the case? Yeah. Oh no, feel free to open if you're working on this. Right. Close with comment. Okay, that means I'm going to close this one also. Oh no, this one we need to leave it there. Just looking for examples, so we don't have any good example. So let it be there for some time.
Okay.
Yeah, it was sometimes back.
Mhm.
Who was? I
Yeah.
think we decided to have some example, but somebody came up with the example, but he unfortunately modified the existing one. That's not
Yeah, exactly. It's okay.
Okay. Binding with work on it. Binding with MongoDB work on our distribution. What was this? Oh, this is Ruti's blog. Yeah. I think once her blog is published, we can close this issue. Yeah. Service being upload cannot project. Okay, this we decided not to do this. Okay, right. So we are going to close it. Please reopen. Get to throw cron job resources for customer services. If anyone has any issues, please.
Let's leave it for now. Just want to make sure that we can revisit this in the future. I just want to leave it for now. Maybe we can discuss this
Yeah.
a little bit.
Yeah.
deeper.
By the way, the reference implementation has support for job.
Oh, it does.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it does support. It supports through webhook. Yeah.
The webhook. Okay.
But with some constraint, like there is an ordering is important. That means you can only create the job after the service binding exists in the system.
Oh, I see.
So, yeah. Because this is happening like a mutation, so not a reconsider job task. So that's but I don't know whether it's really necessary, but yeah, it's there.
Okay.
Okay. I think what was that? This is the one I checked now right now.
No, I think we need to
Yeah.
get some clarity in some of these ones too. So a lot of this is not known.
Okay, this one
So-
we decided to check. Means we had some messages already. Okay. We are yet to confirm this one. I would like to assign this to myself and check. Because my understanding is that we have some messages. Only thing is that just we need to confirm this right message. This is a very old issue. And I believe we have good messages, better messages. So I'll just confirm on this and then close it. Yeah. So, yeah. Yes, it's finding the run. Should I go more?
No, I think it's good for now.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we need to dig a little deeper in some of these other ones. So just in general. So, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Then if anybody else want to share something, just can stop. Okay, then see you all. Talk to you next
Thank
one.
you.
Bye.
Bye.